Hi, welcome to Java for Beginners course from Course Labs. Let's get started. Java is a high-level programming language. A high-level programming language is something that is easy for human beings to read and understand. And Java was first released by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Java runs on a variety of platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. Now, to get the best out of this course, you need to have a proper setup so that you can practice all the examples along with me. So these are the prerequisites that you need to have to get started with this course. The first thing you need to have is Java SDK, Software Development Kit. To compile and run your programs, you need to have Java installed in your machine. So the very first thing that you need to do before you get started with this course is installing Java Software Development Kit. And the next one is IDE. Though it is not required to have an IDE in your machine, it is recommended to have some integrated development environment, because when you start writing Android applications, you need to use some sort of integrated development environment. Essentially, it is Android Studio. So for writing Java programs, you don't need to have Android Studio. In my case, I'm using Eclipse, but if you have any other IDE of your choice, you can proceed with that as well. And coming to the operating system, I'm going to use Mac OS X. If you have any other operating system such as Windows or Linux, they can also be used. But make sure that you have Java installed in the machine that you're using. If you're using Mac OS X, Java is pre-installed. You can actually go ahead and check if Java is installed or not by running this command, java-version. If Java is installed, you will see the current version that is installed. If it is not installed, please proceed to install Java in your machine. Now, if you're using Linux, most of the Linux distributions also come with Java pre-installed. But if you're using Windows, you have to explicitly install it. If you are a Windows user, a PDF copy of Java installation steps has been provided in the download section. Please proceed to download section and download the PDF copy and follow the instructions to install Java in your Windows. That's all for this video. I hope you will get ready with the setup that is required to write Java programs.